Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula of this one, and that is about cos x over sin x. And we need to know that cos x, that is about e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s over number 2. And this one we have e to the power of s minus e to the power of negative s over number 2. And now we simplify the number 2 in here. And we have like this. Next, I will put this one gone here. And this one gone here. Number 1, we can do common denominator, and that should be like this. Now, we need to simplify e to the power of s minus e to the power of s. They cancel. This one with this one, we have number 2. This one, e to the power of negative s, with this one they cancel. And now e to the power of s, e to the power of s, we have this one in here. Now we simplify again, and now we just have only e to the power of negative 2s. So this one, and combine this one, we just have e to the power of negative 3s. And now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 3s over negative number 3. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration e to the power of negative 3s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 3s over negative number 3. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.